Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to erase part of picture in Microsoft Publisher. So get it started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show erase part of a picture. Now, firstly, insert a picture. Now going to insert menu option. Then click for a picture. Now select from a file. Now find your image. Now find your picture. Now click for a picture. Then click for insert option. That is. Now move from a picture. Now resize your picture. This picture is part of picture. Now going to the again insert one option, then click for a shape option, then click for a rectangle shape, then get a rectangle shape, insert, now going to the fill color option, then click for a white color. That is. Now click for a outline, then click for a no outline. That's it. Then we show erase part of a picture in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.